guys, egg up again. Shovel no shark. Yeah. What?
I got a tangle on my rod.
Yeah, what's that fish?
I'm not too sure.
Big fish also.
Good fish to eat.
Yeah. You tangle your nylon,
Yeah, but I'll clean it all up.
but this one you bring to your friend.
That's for you.
For me?
For you, mate.
Thank you. Shout out.
Okay, brother.
Oh, the birthday boy, Jay. You have dinner for today. Celebrate your birthday. Given by Mark. Alright. Oh, what a nice fish. Even it's low tide, there's a big fish here also.
That's it.
Alright.
Well, I got this fish I got to clean up now.
Yep. I put fish. Man. Big guys. This is different fish.
What's that, mate?
This is my first time to see this fish.
Yeah, it's a good one.
Different one. Nice catch. Uy, shit. Still fisherman. Nice. Getting high tide today. Look, the water. It's around 4:30 in the afternoon. Thanks, that's a big fish also. So here. I think that's a trevally. Oh God. Big fish. It's what's that? Flowy.
Very good eating.
Yeah, there's a blue one.
There's another one for your barbecue.
There's another one.
Another one, bro.
No, that's yours.
There's no one.
I will get the knife.
Yeah, bro.
All right. There's a small one for that. Last time I caught also. But it's small. This one is big.
Big one.
Yeah. I took a picture for you. Oh shit. I thought you did. I thought it's dead. First you cut that. And then you cut your hook. Every time you catch the fish, you directly the blade, remove the internal ano.
Yeah, bro. It just keeps them fresher.
To keep fresh.
Yeah.
Last time when I got the, but I didn't know how to cut that. So that it's fresh.
Yeah, bro.
Now I pick a video, but I did not upload. Only to for copy.
Oh,
When I get a fish just like that,
yeah.
I will see how can you remove that.
Yeah, bro.
It's liver.
Look at it. Where's his heart? You want to eat his heart? Eat his heart fresh.
Yeah.
Try and find it.
Because you have a big hook, so that's why you catch a big fish.
That's right. With your knife, bro.
This one. It's hard.
Yeah, I just try
Hey, you found the
and
find the hook.
Hook in there somewhere.
This way it's good to have a place. Yeah, you got it. Fish again.
Here's the other one. There's two in there. Two
Two hook?
Two hook.
Oh,
Here's the other one.
that's a secret weapon.
This is the other one. Guaranteed catch.
Yeah. If you eat the bait, it will not lose because of the two hook.
That's it. Very nice eating, bro.
Yeah.
Very nice to eat.
A few moments later.
Pinatay na po yung huli. Nakita ko po ito. Welder to. Magaling ito mag-building eh. Laki pala ng kaliskis niya, pre.
Kaya nga. Ito, kung taklips. Ang taklips.
Galing na talaga ni Mike Magana. Hindi niya alam na nakakauli siya kasi yung ano parang nylon niya ano.
You fillet the fish.
Fillet the fish.
Like a professional fillet. Like I'm looking at workshop of fish. That's how you fillet. Alright. Porpa?
One side only, fish fillet. Ha?
Hindi mo alam yan. Ilawin natin yan.
Itanong mo muna dun, baka may gusto siyang lutuin.
Kung luto dyan.
Hindi na mahalata na may